Hi guys, Chox here. Welcome back to the Basics playlist. Let's get to the table and see what tool we're having a look at next. Okay, so with our Back to Basics theme, I'm going to just show you the cake board selection that I like to pick up. I get this at a big box store or you can order it online. I'll put my links in the comment section down below. But this is an assortment. This has 3 10 by 14 and 3 13 by 9 inches. So 10 by 14 is a quarter slab cake when you hear decorators talking about it. The big cake board that everybody's asking me about from the cupcake playlist, this is a 13 inch by 19 inch. This is called a half slab cake board. This will hold 2 of these guys. And plus it will hold many designs, lots of different things. It's a pretty big cake board. So now what I like about getting the variety pack is that I can cut them down to a size that I need. So if I need a square cake, I can just cut the edge off of that. If I need a round cake, you can keep it, it doesn't matter. You center it out, keep it on. It does not matter, all right? So the standard cake sizes as well is a 9-inch round, double layer, okay? An 8-inch square, right? So if you get an 8-inch square cake, or a 9 by 13. And you can see on the back of the cake pans that they will have measurements on them. All right, and that will fit on the half slab cake board. Another thing that I have done is put 2 squares to make a long one, or if you're doing a theme cake, those are great. Also keep in mind too that you need to put your cake on something to transport it. So if you're wanting to hold on to your cake pans, a cake board is a great way to transport a cake without committing to giving away your pans. Okay, so a couple of takeaways with the cake board is if you are using cardboard, make sure you put tinfoil or wax paper or a food safe product on top. Using cake boards, these are grease proof, so you're not going to have the grease soaking in. And make sure you're using the right board for the job. You don't want to come into a situation where, you know, you have to do a cake and there's only that much board, right? All right, so make sure you have the right size board for the job. Don't be afraid to make your own cake board. And yeah, just make sure you have the right size board for the job. All right, next video coming up is about our wheels and palette knives. Make sure you click this little square that's coming up right here and it'll take you right to the next video.